Hello all, welcome to SolidWorks tutorials. In this video, we will see how to design an ice cube tray using SolidWorks. For this design, we are going to use features like extruded boss or base, extruded cut, draft angle, linear pattern, shell feature, and fillets, etc. Let's create a new file. It's going to be part. Click on OK. Here we have the design canvas. Before starting the design, I'm going to change the units to mmgs, which is millimeter gram second. For this design, I'm choosing top plane, select sketch, and if I'm going to draw a center rectangle here. With origin as center, I'm going to draw a rectangle. Click on OK. Now go to Smart Dimension, give this dimension as 300 mm. And this is going to be 120 mm. Click on OK and go to Features tab, click on Extruded Boss or Base. Here the depth is 10 mm. I'm going to change it to 35 mm and make sure this arrow is pointing downwards. So we need to reverse the direction of extrude. Click on this button or simply drag the arrow downwards. Click OK. Now we have the extruded body. I'm going to make ice cube pockets on this extruded body. Select this face and click normal to go to extruded cut, and here I'm going to make pockets. Instead of center rectangle, I'm going to choose corner rectangle this time, and I'm going to draw a rectangle. Select Smart Dimension. This edge is 25 mm. And this edge is 25 mm. Sorry, it's 25. Click OK. Now select Smart Dimension again. I'm going to add distance between these two and distance between these two because our sketch is still underdefined. Select this edge and select this edge. It's going to be 10 mm here, and select this and this edge. It's going to be 10 mm. Click OK and click on Exit Sketch. Now it goes into extrude cut feature, and under end condition it's going to be blind. The depth is going to be 25 mm. Also make sure to select this draft option here. Select draft, and the draft angle is going to be 5 degrees. Here you can see the angle here. Click OK. Now we have the ice cube pocket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some fillets to this ice cube pocket. Select fillet, and it's going to be constant size fillet. Select all the faces, all the edges of the fillet. Before that, just change the radius to 2 mm or 1 mm depending on the requirement. This edge here, this edge, this edge. I'm going to select all the inner edges too. So we have selected all the edges. Click on OK. Now I'm going to use linear pattern to pattern this on the surface. Select linear pattern, and for direction 1 select this edge, and for direction 2 select this edge. Also make sure that you have up to reference selected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a reference line for direction 1, and this is going to be the reference line for direction 1. So select this edge as reference line for direction 1, and here I'm going to give the distance as 35 mm. And for reference 2, I'm going to give this distance as, for reference 2, I'm going to select this edge 4 as reference, and the distance is going to be 38 mm. Now under features and faces, we are going to select cut, extrude and fillets both. Click on OK. Now we have the basic design of an ice cube tray. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add shell feature to this design. Select shell. Here the thickness, it's going to be 2 mm, and the face is to be removed. So select this face, select all the faces of the extruded body except the top face. So we have all the 5 faces selected. Click on OK. You might get a warning dialog or a pop-up. Just click on OK when you get such dialog. Now we have the basic design of an ice cube tray. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some extra solid supports to this tray. Now go to trimetric view. I'm going to add some extra support over here. So right click on this, select normal to, click on sketch. I'm going to draw a rectangle over here, and it's going to be a corner rectangle. With this corner as the starting point, draw a rectangle of equal length. Click OK. Go to smart dimension. Give this dimension as 2 mm. Or we'll make it 5. Alright. Click on OK. Now I'm going to extrude this upwards. Go to features, click on extrude boss or base, and here we will give this value as 15 mm. Click on OK. Now I'm going to add fillets to this. Select fillet. Select this edge here. Select this edge here. Select this one. And select this one here. Also now click on OK. Now we have added fillets to all the edges. I'm gonna add a fillet here too. Click on fillet. Select this face. And click on OK. This is going to be 2 mm. Click on OK. go to trimetric view to have a proper view of the body. I want to add a fillet here so it looks neat. Select fillet, and here it's going to be 5 mm. Click on OK. Edit this feature. I don't want this to be sharp, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a fillet on this side too, and here. Click OK. Alright, you can make changes like however you want to, but this is how you make the basic design of an ice cube tray, and this is how you use linear pattern and shell features. Save the file, and we can change the color of this too. So go to appearances, go with plastic, high gloss. I'm gonna choose blue. Body. You can save the file, and you can change or edit any of the things. You can add or remove fillets here, you can change the radius of the fillets and etc., or you can change the number of slots by editing linear pattern here. You can make some changes like by selecting spacing and instances. You can make it 6. That way you can change these things, and here you can select spacing and instances, and you can make 2 slotted ones, etc. You can make changes like however you want to. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned to the channel for more design tutorials. Bye bye.